Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on ALCATEL 1T10 Smart. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now in the top search, enter Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this browser. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And here the browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.